This is called Borasco Grey. That's the colour of this amazing Range Rover Sport. It's the D300 Dynamic SE with lots of extras. Now this car has 25,000 miles. It's a 2023, 23 registration, 76,990 the live pricing. I promise you, we are selling so many cars because they're priced right, with the right condition and the right specification. When we're talking about Range Rover Sports, these cars a year ago were, what, £100,000, 110, sometimes up over. Now this is a very special car because the exterior paint colour, but then with the combination of the light cloud interior, it makes this an absolute difficult car to find. And that's what's going to sell this car. Yes, there's lots of Range Rovers. I lied, there isn't that many at all, to be fair. The market has completely dried up because people are starting to realise what great value they represent. The insurance issue is starting to fix itself a little bit in certain parts of the country. But then when you're getting this Borasco Grey with that interior, with the all-important 23-inch upgraded alloy wheels, it just really is a fantastic combination. They drive so well because the new 3-litre diesel engine has 300 brake horsepower, so you get a good, decent amount of miles per gallon. With this car, let's go back from the front. You've got a black styling pack from the factory because normally the Dynamic SE has rose gold bits here, rose gold bits here and here. This one's all black, and against the Borasco Grey, that looks fantastic. The LED DRLs, which is daytime running lights, with the adaptive LED headlights. You can see that with the quad lighting system there. The Dynamic SE means the colour-coded section right at the bottom here and all the way down the side is colour-coded. I've mentioned the wheels already. They are the best set of wheels you can buy on the Range Rover Sport. Now this one does also have the contrasting black roof, so anything from this point up over is black. You've then got the electric deployable door handles, comfort access, and going back inside on the interior, that light cloud interior really does make a difference. It makes the interior feel nice and airy. You've then got the brake and the split with the ebony on the centre armrest and the bottom section of the door cards. This one also has the upgraded tilt and sliding panoramic roof, which is a great feature to have. The centre dashboard is now raised, being the newer model of the Range Rover Sport. Larger screen infotainment system, 360 camera system, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, heated seats, electric memory seats. But then you get other features standard like the 360 camera, which I just mentioned, adaptive cruise control, heated steering wheel, Bluetooth controls, and you get all that multifunctional steering wheel. This car also has a Meridian sound system. If you look in the back, there's lots of space. Rear heated seats as well, 5-seater. That two-tone continues round the back. Majority of it is light cloud and the ebony in the middle and ebony on the back of the driver and passenger seat. 3-point seat belts, and they're finished in black as well. Boot-lid spoiler, LED rear lighting system, everything is colour-coded. If you notice this middle section of the back bumper looks slightly different, that's because this car also then has the electric deployable tow bar. So when you get the most perfect car and you think, wow, how can I make it slightly better and more usable, this car's got the tow bar. You might have a trailer, a horse box, I don't know, but if that's useful to you, it's a fantastic feature with the electrics on the side. You press the button again and it falls away. The boot space is nice and big. This does everything, and at 76,990, it's a lot of car for your money. Up to date, modern, very smooth, very comfortable. It's available on PCP, HP, you can pay for it in one go. We do take part exchanges. Again, drop me a message with your pictures of your car, mileage, and I'll do my level best to get the deal done. Driver's seat is in good condition. Full digital driver zone. You've then got your controls here, as I mentioned, that lovely black chrome bezel, two-tone leather steering wheel, twin cup holders, 2 keys, more cubbyhole space underneath, different sort of cubbyholes, and you've got one over here which is the wireless charging pad. Great position, air suspension, it's just got everything. Most importantly, the colour combination and the price. And let's not forget the tilt and sliding panoramic roof, the 23-inch upgraded alloy wheels, black styling pack, and the tow bar. This one's going live now. My name and number's on the screen. Must ring the number if you want to get it reserved and come and collect it. It's simple as that, because cars like this, they don't hang about. They never do. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye now.